This is community or the church symbolized.
Karbi Rongsopi Sub-center.
It is Karbi harvesting folk dance. It is post-harvesting folk dance. It was originally it was introduced by Diphu Fr. He is the legend, and after all, every Karbi families, it's continue during this harvesting festival. It is the month of January. So now we will witness the Hachakekan. It is consists of 10 persons and 2 drummers, and the leaders of that troop is a Kleng Sarpo and the assistant is Kleng Dun. And especially this Hachakekan is seeking blessing from the gods of food grains. Lukhi plant, the gods of food grains. And the dance, actually it is quite long, but we make it short. Only the finishing part only we are going to present now. After harvesting, we collect the paddy from the field, and after threshing, they separated from the straw, the grains they keep one place, and from that place to whole day they will carry and they will take and keep it into the barn. Especially in the modern times, it is a jhum cultivation. From the jhum place, they will carry the grains to their home. That is one part, the whole day. But now, after collecting the paddy and carried and put it to the barn, from that only we are going to present that dance. The dance, it is mainly for seeking blessing or adorating to honor the god of food grains. There are different type of action, but every action it is to please the god of food grains. So let us witness now. Non laporan itu Hachakekan. Come on, the god of food grains. Greetings. But here we are mixing. community or the church symbolize.
Sojong Parish Karbi Rongsopi Sub-center Dongkamukam hacakekan